A circle is 360 degrees, but how many degrees is this arc here? And let's call this A, B, and C. The measure of this arc in terms of degrees is defined as being the same as the measure of the central angle across from it. So suppose the central angle is 90 degrees. Then the measure of this part of the circle, this arc, is also 90 degrees. The justification we will be using is central angle equals the arc measure, or arc measure equals central angle. By the way, that's also true about this angle over here. So this angle all the way around here is 270 degrees, and that would equal the measure of this really long part of the circle as well. By the way, when an angle is bigger than 180, we call that a reflux angle. The second type of angle we will be studying are inscribed angles. Now, an inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the edge of the circle and whose sides go like that, and it intercepts the circle, intersects. So this is an inscribed angle right here, and this arc is called the intercepted arc. We'll study inscribed angles more later on. Let's talk notation, since arcs are new to you. Let's compare how we name arcs and write the measures compared to angles and segments. So, name. If we're talking about the name of a segment, suppose AB, we would put a bar on top. If we're talking an angle, we would say angle A, or it could be angle BAC. Okay, just talking about the name. And for arcs, we would say AB with an arc on top. If we're going to talk about the measure, we would write AB, no bar, and that would be like, say, AB equals 5 inches. We would write measure angle A, or measure angle BAC. And when it refers to arcs, we write measure and then the arc AB.